In this video, let us understand about standard deviation. Standard deviation is denoted by the letter sigma, which is a Greek letter. So here there are two batsmen A and B, and I have listed the runs scored by them in different matches. If you find the average run scored by batsman A, this account to be 40. So similarly, if I found the average run scored by batsman B, this also account to be 40. But if you go through the data, we see that both the data are significantly different. So hence, the measures of central tendency is not only sufficient to describe the data, we look for the measures of the dispersion. So here, let us study about the standard deviation, which is a measures of dispersion. So standard, if I see here, if we see in this graph, we can see that the runs scored by batsman B is scattered around the average, whereas the runs scored by batsman A varies from 0 to 100. This is not distributed near to the mean. So hence, standard deviation gives a clear idea about how far the values are spreading or deviating from the mean. To find the standard deviation for the individual observations, we can use the formula root of summation x minus x bar whole square divided by n. Alternatively, we can use these two formula also to find the standard deviation when we consider the ungrouped data. So here is an example. A survey was conducted for the number of road accidents in a major city during 11 successive weeks, and the results are listed as follows. We shall calculate the standard deviation in the road accidents. So since this is an individual series or this is an ungrouped data, so I am using the formula sigma is equal to root of x square divided by n minus x bar whole square. So let us construct a table. X is the given data, that is the number of road accidents. So then we shall also find x square. As we know, square of 8 is 64, square of 6 is 36. Similarly, let us find the square of each data values, and then let us take the sum of each values, and then we shall use the formula x bar is equal to, that is the mean, is equal to total number of observation divided by the number of observation. We get this as equal to 4. That means the average number of road accidents are 4. Let us find the standard deviation of the road accident by using this formula. So substitute the value of x square as equal to 258, and then here we have got 11 number of data set, then minus x bar square will give us 2.73. So this is the standard deviation in the number of road accidents. So to find the standard deviation in the discrete observation, we can use these formulas. Let us see one example to understand more about this. So here we have got 25 students were given an arithmetic test, and the time in minutes to complete the test is recorded as follows. We shall calculate the standard deviation in the time taken to complete the test. So here we have got 4 students who have taken 1 minute to complete the test. We have got 3 students who have taken 2 minutes to complete the test. Like that, the data follows. In order to find the standard deviation, let us construct a column. X is given to us, which is nothing but time in minutes. F is the frequency, that's the number of students who have taken particular minute to complete the test. Let us find x square, as well as let us multiply f into x, and then also let us multiply f with the x square, and let us take the sum of f into x as well as sum of f into x square. And then here total number of students is 25. So now let us find the average time taken to complete the test by using the formula total of fx by n. So we will get 3. So 3 minutes is the average time taken by the 25 students to complete the arithmetic test. So let us find the standard deviation in the time taken to complete the test. So we let us use the formula root of total of f into x square divided by n minus of x bar square. So substituting the values, we get 1.2 minutes. So 1.2 minute is the standard deviation taken by the students to complete the test. So similarly, to find, let us use the standard deviation. Let us find the standard deviation for the continuous observation. So these are the formulas which we can use to find the standard deviation for the continuous observation. So let me take an example. Here we have got 100 engineering companies which give the following information. So 8 companies have the profit in crores from 0 to 10 crores and 12 companies have their profits from 10 to 20 crores, like that the data follows. So we shall find the standard deviation in the profit earned. So let us construct a column. Profit in crore is given to us, and then we shall find the mid value of this class. So 0 to 10, that is 5. Similarly, find the mid value of the class 10 to 20, it will be 15. Similarly goes on. We can find mid value of each class and let us call it as x, and f is the frequency. So that is 8 companies have taken has their profit within 0 to 10 crores. So that is our frequency which is given to us. Like that, all the data, let us list that, and then let us find x square and then f into x. Similarly, let us multiply f into x square and then we shall total the f into x value. Similarly, f into x square value, and then let us use the formula x bar is equal to total of fx divided by n. So this gives us the average profit of the companies. So average profit of the companies 32.2 crores. So now let us find the standard deviation by using the formula f into x square divided by n minus x bar whole square. Then take the root for these values. So substituting, we get the answer as 13.86 rupees. So this is the standard deviation in the profit earned by the 100 engineering companies listed in this table. This is how we find the standard deviation.